What's up, y'all? Andy here. Quick PSA. I was recently doing a task. I was filming it, and I got injured. Not serious, but I did get injured. And I think in our industry, it's important when we get injured or we have a close call that we tell each other about it so that others can think about that and maybe not repeat the same dumb mistake I made. I'm generally really safe. I wear my PPE. I'm really conscious about the table saw. I consider myself really safe. I mean, if you've watched my videos, you can see I'm safe in them. And this happened. So it can happen to anybody. It can happen quick. Luckily, this wasn't serious. Of course, I'll put the video on here while I'm talking or afterwards or whatever, just so y'all can see it, and I'll do it slow-mo and so forth. But basically, I was upgrading my old mobile workbench that y'all have seen in all my videos to a better top. And I was prying off the old top that had screws embedded in between the two layers, so I screwed up when I built it. And I had to use a pry bar, pull it up. Well, the pry bar at one point, I was prying and I was down over it and it slipped when I was pulling up, and it came up and hit me in the face. Caused an abrasion, caused some swelling. My wife asking questions, what the hell happened to my face? But overall, I was okay. I did think I lost a tooth at first, but nope, no dentist needed. I'm all good. I wanted to share it with y'all. It's a dumb mistake. I could just say, well, nothing happened, but I don't think that's right, and letting y'all know about it is good for everybody, so maybe y'all won't do the same boneheaded mistake I did. Y'all be careful out there. It can happen quick. Everything you're doing, think about what you're doing. Use your PPE. I'll see y'all on my next video, which will be, I don't know what it's going to be of. It's either going to be redoing the tabletop, or I've got that hat display coming out. I think it's going to be February 11th that that's going to come out. So hopefully I'll see y'all there. Y'all take care.